So in 2001, the club's total income was £1,000 and they spent 60% of their income on a hall and a further 250 on prizes. Work out the ratio of the amount spent on the hall to the amount spent on prizes. Well, first of all, I've got to work out then 60% of 1,000 to work out how much actual money they spent on the hall. Well, I know that 60% of 1,000 is 600, and I'm pretty sure you do too, or you know how to work it out. And this is the hall. And the amount of prizes, given me the actual figure here of 250. But it wants the answer in its simplest form, so I can't stop here. Now I can see that both of these numbers can be divided by 10. So 600 divided by 10 is 60, 250 divided by 10 is 25. Now 25 can't be divided by 10, but this ends in 0, this ends in 5, so they both must be in the 5 times table. 60 divided by 5 is 12, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now 12 and 5 don't have any common factors that would help me to simplify that any further, so I can leave that as 12 and 5. Yeah, just checking that that's the hall to prizes. Yes, it is. So question number 14, there are some sweets in a bag. 18 of them are toffees and 12 of them are mints. Write down the ratio of toffees to mints. So I need toffees first to mints, which is 12. And I want that in its simplest form. Well, 18 and 12, they're both in the 2 times table. Are there any other times table they're both in? Yeah, they're both in the 6 times table. So I can do 18 divided by 6, which is 3. 12 divided by 6, which is 2. So the ratio here in its simplest form is 3 to 2. If you had just spotted that they're both in the 2 times table, then you could do 18 divided by 2, which would have given you 9. 12 divided by 2, which would have given you 6. These are both in the 3 times table. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you would have ended up in the same place, just a slightly longer way of doing it.